The platform extends its flexibility and openness by leveraging open source platforms such as R and Python. Here you can see how a user can easily call an R package using the R node. Users can either code in R or just point to an existing R package in the enterprise library. Users can call and leverage Python, Visual Basic, and C# modules in the same way. Statistica supports various flavors of Python, including IronPython. Here we are calling an R package for random forest that is managed in the enterprise library and executed on the airline data. Collective intelligence enables users to integrate external analytic workflows and embrace the app marketplace for models. Users can now import models from Algorithmia, Azure ML, Apervita, and leverage open source technologies including Spark, H2O sparkling water, etc. The cloud-based big data platform is also highly extensible. For example, the ARIMA package shown in this example is from Apache Madlib, which we helped co-develop, and so is another example of our integration with third-party libraries. All of the code of our open source implementations is of course open for developers to review and leverage, and we do share that in our community site. After running any workflow in Spotfire Data Science, users can review the generated code from the workflow. This entire analytic workflow is captured as SQL log that can now be executed externally if needed. This can also be published back into the collaborative workspace environment and shared with team members. This now becomes a result template and can be annotated and versioned as with any other template.